Well, might have seen on the last video, lost a number plate, but that's alright. We recovered it safely up in the dashboard. Ooh, very safe. And let's not be saying we don't do things properly around it. Self-tapping screws, that's all you need. Let's have a go at this then. There you go. Just the way BMW would have intended. No nice bolts. No white cap heads. Couple of self-tappers. Good as new. So, today we're going to make some yellow headlights. Who doesn't like yellow? Well, side lights on an E36. Step-by-step guide, probably. Oh, that's standard bonnet holder. Let's have a go. Now we're on the workbench. Take your credit card in an old sock. Then you take your finest, mangliest hairdryer you can find. Then once you've done that, you can put it back in your headlight. Don't look too closely. Passes a 10-foot test anyway. And most importantly, don't forget to remove all the old sealant. Like we have, done properly. We do it good around here. It's very important before you put the lens back in. Also very important, don't forget to reseal the lens in. Now, I've just used what I've got. Bit of bathroom sealant, but that'll do it. Let's not say we don't do it properly. There's a saying from where I'm from, close enough is good enough. And I think that applies perfectly for this job. Now, refitting's easy, exactly the opposite of removal. Most important, don't forget to let your bathroom sealant go off, which we definitely 100% did for 24 hours. As if by magic, done. I'm well aware there should be another bolt down there somewhere, but it wasn't fitted on this one. You don't need to see the other side, so as if by magic, that's done too. Now the best bit, road test. So, time to test out how good them headlights are. We love a good road test. Yeah, I'd say they're working well. Oh, I nearly forgot the lights. Best bit. Big thanks to Discount Tyres Isle of Wight.